is how people make money by making internet videos. So a list of top dollar earners from YouTube has been released by Forbes magazine, and on the top of that list is a 7-year-old boy who makes his money unpackaging toys on video. I talk to parents all the time whose minds are blown by the idea that people can make money by making videos on the internet. Wait, what? That's what I do? Oh, right. Yeah, it's kind of what I do. It's not all I do, but it's a big part of what I do. There's a few ways that people like Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, Ryan Toysreview, and everybody else from vloggers to makeup artists can make a living through making videos online. Here's the 3 major ways they do that. First of all is traditional online advertising. Things like banner ads on YouTube that pop up on the bottom of the video and you have to click them to go to these websites. It's just Google AdSense, the same as a Google search would bring up ads. Your YouTube videos bring up ads. There's some issues with these sometimes because people's videos get tagged or flagged as having content that doesn't belong to them in it. Sometimes it's when it shouldn't be tagged as that, but that content causes it to become demonetized, which means they can't make any money off of it. And so that can be a struggle. Because of that, that's not the only way these YouTubers and Twitch streamers make money. The second way is by direct product placement and sponsorships. So, for instance, a group I really like called How Ridiculous, they do trick shots and they drop crazy stuff off of tall towers and dams and stuff. Sometimes they'll do a video sponsored by a company, like their Nerf video where they shot Nerf guns at each other while they had buckets attached to their heads. So all kinds of companies pay these YouTubers, who they call influencers, to promote their products. And so this is a major way that these more popular video creators make their money. Thirdly, it's direct sponsorship from viewers. There's things like Patreon where people can go and subscribe to pay a little bit of money every month to the people that they appreciate and enjoy watching online. Twitch viewers can subscribe to their favorite streamers through Twitch's platform. You can also just donate. There's a lot of streamers who go online to play video games 4, 6 to 8 hours a day, several days a week, and they just rake in the $2, $5, $10 tips at a time until they've made several $100,000 a year through people voluntarily donating during their streams. So the combination of traditional advertising, sponsorships and product placement, and donor support has made being a content creator online, whether it's gaming or makeup or art or interviewing people or podcasts, a real job. Here's my advice for parents whose kids have told them they want to be a content creator when they get older. First of all, remind them that a lot of the stuff they'll need to know to be a successful content creator, they're going to learn in school. You got to do enough math to at least keep the books for your business. And by the way, when you're a content creator full time, you're self-employed. You have to run your business or be smart enough to know how to hire somebody to run your business. Secondly, they need to understand the demands that come from working for yourself and kind of working for your viewers. People on the internet can be harsh. They can be brutal. And so they really want you to make a video about so-and-so, such and such, and you haven't made that video, they're going to let you know, and they're not going to use any nice words about it either, are they? So your kids need to understand that you have to be able to have a thick skin and be willing to work through all that junk, focus on the positive and the good things. And lastly, your kids need to know that it's a slow process. It's this thing that they call the 10-year overnight success. You see this YouTube channel come out of nowhere, and these guys are all of a sudden making all this money playing video games on YouTube or doing silly stunts on YouTube. And when you look at their back videos, you realize they've been making videos in anonymity for 10 years, for 6 years before finally something took off for them. So encourage your kids to learn not to be quitters. Stay in school. Continue dancing, doing your gymnastics or playing that sport or learning that musical instrument, because even if you never use that skill, you will use what you learned about seeing something through. That's my advice for parents whose kids say, I don't need school. I'm going to be a gamer for a living. You're going to know how to balance your books. You're going to have to know how to handle criticism and tough stuff from your crowd. that are watching your videos, and you're gonna have to be able to keep going and not quit. So let it start now. That's how people make money on YouTube and Twitch, making content on the internet. Some of us don't make a lot of money. We make enough barely to survive. Some people, like the kid who makes toy opening videos, makes $22 million a year, for real. If you have any questions, you can email me becausefamily@gmail.com. And speaking of sponsorships, this video is sponsored by Accountable to You. Accountable, the number 2, YOU.com. Use the promo code BecausFamily when you sign up for accountability software to protect your family online. And when you use that promo code, you'll get a month free, and we'll get a little kickback every month when you start paying for your subscription. And it'll help us keep making videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. BecausFamily.org, FamilyTechBlog.com. I'm Michael Prince. Bye-bye. Hi, I'd like to thank you for watching our videos. I just wanted to let you know that Because Family is a non-profit organization. All money donated to Because Family goes to help families be internet smart and safe. So if you'd like to donate, you can go to becausefamily.org/partnership and give to help us keep doing that. Thanks a lot.